We're off on another adventure today. Another delicious Belizean food adventure. So, I'm on the hunt right now for a special Belizean dish which is called pigtail. You know it, it's the tail of the pig. It's exactly what it sounds like. But over here in Belize, it's a specialty. Salted pigtail. It comes all the way from Canada. They send it. We bought here in we bought here in Belize, and it's delicious. Salted pigtail. They make it. They cook it in tomato sauce, and it's usually served with white rice and split peas on top. So I'm gonna avoid the white rice, but we'll see if I can get some split peas with delicious pigtail. Join me on the journey.
A few moments later.
We've stopped off here at Al's Cafe. You've all seen it before if you've watched my videos. If not, I'll put the link to the last video with them in the description. So we've ordered. They've got pigtail. We've ordered with the split peas and no rice. So let's see what we get. So here we have it. This is the chicharro, the split peas. They blend it into a puree, and this is the pigtail that they cook it in. Look at that, real delicious. Got a few pieces here, and since I didn't ask for any rice, they give me tortilla on the side. First, the split peas. Tastes good. I don't know how to explain the taste, but it's delicious. If you had split peas, it tastes like split peas. Very good. Roll up a tortilla and dip the tortilla in it. You know, here, Belize, Mexico, all of Central America, they love their tortillas. Such a good taste. I love split peas and pigtail. I was hoping they had a tomato sauce with it, which most people do, but today it's only split peas, so it's fine. I'm gonna try a piece of the pigtail. Hopefully it's not too hot. Nice and fatty, with the bone in the middle, right? Because it is the tail of the pig. That is good. This is the pigtail right here, as you can see. Fatty meat. Bone. There's not much meat in it, it's mainly just the fatty tail and the bone, but it's really good stuff to try out. It's a must try one in Belize. 100% recommended, especially at Al's Cafe. I'll put the map link in the description, address, all the stuff like usual, so you guys can find it. And they have pigtail every Wednesday for lunch, so make sure you're here on a Wednesday. I'm going to continue eating and enjoying this food. That was truly an amazing meal. Cost only $10 Belize, which is $5 US. Talk about a deal. I'm stuffed. It's super hot like every day in Belize. So I decided to do this at the beach side. Sit down here, cool off a bit, and end it with a beer. So cheers. That's good stuff, the Mine Beer. Be sure to try it out. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. And be sure to like the video, leave a comment, and see you on the next adventure in beautiful Belize.